Gotta love these Lexus RX350s. This one is a 2019 RX350. A nice blue color here, all-wheel drive, of course. This vehicle's in mint condition, running really good. Well taken care of. Wait till you see the interior. There's hardly any scratches or nicks on the body of this vehicle. I love these sharp headlights with the LED daytime running lights. Some people don't like the grille. I happen to like the grille. This vehicle is available now, this 2019 Lexus RX350 at ZLK Auto Fair in Blackstone, Massachusetts. My name is Abraham. Let's check out the interior here. Beautiful gray color with some black there for contrast. You do have heated and ventilated front seats. Have the sunroof, of course. Auto windows all around. 3 memory functions to set the position of your front seat there, as well as the steering wheel. I love this option. You have a button to set where you like your steering wheel. You even have a heated steering wheel, auto high beams. This thing is loaded, has everything. You have remote keyless entry in the front and in the back. The car is mad at me because it's running and I pressed that button. Here's the back seat. Nice spacious back seat. Put that lever down. Seats fold forward. Being about 5'11", 280, I have plenty of room in the back seat here. I feel comfortable. The seat itself is comfortable. I just love the styling of the interior. Pretty much any Lexus, for me, wins in terms of the interior. I just love how they are. I love the quality of the materials, the feel of the leather. I love the sound system you find in Lexuses, even if it's not the premium sound. The bass speaker system sounds great in my opinion. Let's sit up front and talk more about the features on this SUV. Shut the hazards off. Put this window up. All with the click of a button. It's so quiet in here. Even though we're not on the road, you could just tell the noise insulation is superior on this luxury SUV. I love this little clock here, very sharp. Here you have your climate controls, audio controls. Right there you have heated and ventilated seats, parking brake. Here's your shifter. Here's your little mouse sort of thing. As you can see, you move it around and you can kind of control what's on the screen there. Some people don't care for that, but I honestly think, is it the best? Probably not, but it works and it gets the job done. Here's your different drive modes. I think normal is the best, but if you want a little more throttle response, you flick it into sport and your instrument cluster goes red, and that's how you know you're about to boogie. Nice responsive steering. Here's your audio controls on this side. More of your safety controls, lane departure with steering assist, forward collision with the emergency braking. Check out fuel economy, fuel range, tire pressure, all-wheel drive. Get a little closer there. The auto high beams on this are incredibly accurate. There you would see what audio you're listening to. This right here, that links up with what you're seeing on your navigation. So whatever street you're on, highway, whatever, you'd see it right there. That's your lane departure. These two lines would turn white when you're in the lane. The car knows when you're in the lane, but it only works above 32 miles per hour. Here you can get more granular and set more of your safety settings and other features: parking assist, blind spot monitoring, pre-collision. So just to be clear, on the Lexus it's lane keep assist, because you also have, basically you have haptic feedback when that's enabled within the steering wheel, where it kind of corrects your steering and you feel it. If it was just lane departure, you wouldn't have the haptic feedback in the steering wheel. Some people like that, some people don't. But the good news is you can set it to your liking. So if you were to click on it, you could set the sensitivity, which is on standard, how the alert, so when I press that, let me press that again with the wide angle. So there I just shut it off. But see there, the steering wheel vibrates. So you can turn that on or off. It's good to have the option. Sway warning, all that stuff. Pre-collision, turn that on or off, set the sensitivity. I always leave blind spot monitoring on. Parking assist, I usually leave it on. Here's more settings: tire pressure, oil maintenance, and your rear lift gate. Of course, when you're going on your target runs, you can press this button and you'll be able to open and close the rear lift gate. Makes doing drive up very easy, because we all do that nowadays. I love the back seat. I just love the interior on this. It's a perfect color combination of the gray interior and the blue exterior. Here you have some maintenance information. You have the original owner's manuals and stuff like that. The clarity on this screen is really nice. Seems like it's crisp. I press the menu button down here, so menu right there brings up this, and then again, using your little mouse, you can kind of select what you want to select, which I think is good. But if you don't want to do any of that, you can still control things from here for the most part. So this screen and the buttons, they work well together. You have your cup holders. You can lock your differential, turn traction control on or off. This is not an original window sticker, but it's from Monroney, so it's actually pretty accurate. If my phone will focus, you can kind of go through some of the things here. So you do have a 3.5 liter, 295 horsepower V6. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. I find that it's pretty responsive. Like I said, you have the auto high beams. You have the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. Dynamic radar cruise control. I love that on the highway. You can kind of set your speed and just go up or down with the this little switch right here. And the vehicle will monitor based on the distance you set. You can do far, medium, close. It knows when to adjust your speed, and it's pretty accurate. It can even apply the brakes for you. Let's see what else. Yeah, you have the 10-way power NuLuxe-trimmed front seats. Very comfortable seats, very plush. Again, like all the materials here are very high quality. It really does speak to a luxury ride. Blind spot monitoring, intuitive parking assist. This is a 12-inch screen, 12.3 inches. Heated leather steering wheel. I love that, especially for the winter time. Has good safety scores, pretty good fuel economy. 22 combined, 19 in the city, 26 on the highway. Especially if you throw it in that eco mode. Again, I recommend driving in normal most of the time, but if you want to save some gas, you can put it in eco and you'll still get a decent pickup. My name is Abraham. Thank you for watching this video, this 2019 Lexus RX350. As of April 17th, 2024, we have it listed for $32,500. We're located in Blackstone, Mass. On Bridge Street by the post office. ZLK Auto Fair is a 5-star rated dealership. We accept trade-ins. We offer easy financing. You can call me directly at 508-883-1346. If you want to see more pictures or learn more about this vehicle, head on over to zlkautofare.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and maybe we'll do business together someday. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Make sure you're subscribed.